अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल कैरियर इन आर्ट। सबसे पहले आपने मेरे चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना है। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आए तो उसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करना है। इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ हाउ टू स्केच एंड ड्राइंग। तो सबसे पहले आपने मेरे चैनल के बेल आइकन बटन को प्रेस करना है। अगर आपने प्रेस नहीं किया तो प्रेस करें ताकि आपको मेरे चैनल पर आने वाली हर लेटेस्ट वीडियो की अपडेटिंग मिल सके। वहीं हम अपनी वीडियो की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। Sketch and draw anything you see. It could be homeless dude being for change or little girl skipping around with a balloon in her hand. Whatever you see that looks interesting, draw or sketch. Still life is one of the easiest subjects for beginners to draw. Literally, the objects don't move. Choose simple ones at first, always without too many collects a few pebbles of flower without too many petals, clear bottles with an interesting shape. Draw each of objects separately, such as study that start arrange them together in different ways to see how they go together. The big advantage to still life is still live is that your models that don't move, and if you do in indoors, the light life your lamps does not change with the time of others. Animal drawing may be your passion. Start with your pets. Start when they're sleeping, even if it does not seems like the exciting pose. It's when the animal is more likely to hold still long enough to be drawn. Use photo of your pets. Visit zoos with cameras and snap photo of every animal you see and like the work will work from your own photo. Look for open source photo like Wikipedia Commons and photos you the photographer gives permission to draw from them. You can also contact photographers who take good animal photos and post them on Flickr on Facebook asking permission to draw from their photos. Many will be happy to give permission and most will want to see your drawings. When you are using to drawing animals fast from life, try drawing at the zoo or wildlife like the birds at your feeders. Live drawing of animals is a good way to learn to do quick gesture and details them letters. Building an architecture study perspective, and it's important in buildings more than anything else to make them look real. Find a good look on perspective and do all the practice. Be careful about working from photos because they will sometimes distort vertical lines and alter perspective. You may have to correct the photos once you understand what you are doing. This is another popular fine art subject that never loses its appeal. Like still life, you can go out and draw buildings in person without your model getting up to walk away. Landscapes are a traditional fine art subject. Sketch your own yard from life. Often, sometimes are small, beautiful areas. Sometimes trying to be big, panoramic views. Go out of a camping trip or visit local park with your sketchbook in hand. Do several quick 5 minutes or less gesture sketches to get the main element of the outlines done. Pick the best small thumbnail, draw that view larger. This saves a host of troubles about starting with the details of a leaf and only finishing one branch of that tree in hours. Details are actually easier than doing the big shapes of things. Landscape drawing is about texture, shapes and light that change equally, so learn to draw fast. Get the shape of shadows down first thing because the angle of light will change in half an hour and so will the shape of the shadow. People's are popular subjects of drawing. Start from the friend and family members can convince to sit to draw them. Paint the one you love. Sketch anyone you interest you. Again, practice quick small gesture drawing in public so that you can get the gist of the figure your face within a few minutes before the person wanders or does the something else. And thank you guys for watching my videos.